come take a peek of my kitchen. When we were house hunting and I saw this kitchen on the listing, I was like, oh, I have to get in there. And it has been so enjoyable. I mean, truly every moment in here, I'm like, gosh, I love this kitchen. It's such a dream. So I'm gonna show you just a quick tour around and then highlight a few of my favorite parts. So let's go. So we're entering from the family room side of the kitchen. You can see pretty much a pan of everything from here. So behind me is our couch and fireplace. And then this is where we eat almost all of our meals. This is just a round dining table I found at World Market. And the chairs are from World Market as well. And yeah, we eat almost every meal here. Our fancier meals are in the dining room, which you won't see in this clip. But this is just a great space for our family. Panning over to the opposite side of the kitchen now, you'll see our oven, a warming oven, the microwave, and then essentially a coffee bar that I set up. And then the glass cabinetry above is pretty much just for looks. I'll use some things in there, but for the most part, I just have that styled. And then that is our refrigerator on the left. So on this wall, my favorite part is this warming oven. I've never had one of these before, and I gotta say, I've used it a lot when we're entertaining large groups of people. And then I also love these cabinets here, which provide nice space for a mixer or a toaster, and then there's an outlet behind there that you can't quite see. There's a coordinating cabinet with an outlet on the opposite side of this wall, and I have an espresso maker and my Vitamix. Panning around to the other side of the kitchen, you'll see my range with the burners and a second stove. And then you'll see my sink and just the view from this angle. So next to the stove, there are these built-in spice racks, which we don't yet use because I do have a 2-year-old right now, but maybe when she gets a little older, we can fill those up. And this is the view from roughly the dining table. Walking closer to the sink now, and I'll show you one of my other favorite parts of this kitchen, and that is the view from the sink. I love that I can peer into the backyard and see the kids playing. Usually Justin will stay out there with them if we're playing outside, and I can come in and prep dinner and still keep an eye on them. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out my master bedroom tour. I'll link to it here.